Today I'll be sharing with you 7 ways I make 7 figures in a month. So you might want to stick around till the end because I'm going to share my best way that I make 7 figures in a month. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1 is digital products. I can't overemphasize the importance of digital products. Selling digital products online is one of the easiest way to make money online. All you need to do is to create the digital product one time and then you can sell it forever, like making money while you're sleeping, as in people will be buying your digital product every single day for the rest of your life. Number 2 is digital marketing. Now I have a digital marketing agency and we offer everything that has to do with digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO, website, everything that has to do with digital marketing. And we run ads for people, create content creation and everything. And it is a very lucrative job. We'll grow people's pages if you want to grow your pages, if you want to promote your page, if you want your page to go viral and all the rest of it. That is what we do in my company. So on a daily basis, we'll have a lot of clients coming. They want different services because we offer lots of services. So digital marketing alone can give you more than 7 figures if you focus full time on it. You can even get big brands to run their ads. Big brands, of course, their ad budgets is in millions. So they're going to pay you for Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads and everything. And then if you charge maybe $5,000 for the ads and you have a couple of other brands, in a month you'll be counting serious money in the bank. So this is something you might want to look at. And in future, I'm going to make a specific video for digital marketing, telling you how to start, where to start, what to do, how to get your clients and everything. If you want to see this video, let me know in the comment section. Tell me, 7-figure boss, give us digital marketing tutorials. So if I have a couple of people that want to see this video, then I can go ahead and make this video. Then number 3 is forex trading. I trade the forex markets to make money, and this is one of the easiest way to make money, but I wouldn't recommend that if you're still starting out, if you're struggling with your finances. But it's a very, very good way to make money. But why I said I wouldn't recommend it if you're still struggling with your finances is that you can easily lose money. It's not like the digital product that you don't have to invest anything, you don't have to put any money down. It's not like the digital marketing that you don't have to do anything, just put up a page on social media, do a website, and then that's all you have to do, right? Forex trading is one of the best way to make money if you know what you're doing, and then if you have money to put into the market, you can trade from anywhere in the world. It's something you can do anywhere in the world. And remember, all these things I'm sharing today is something that you can do from anywhere in the world. That includes forex trading. It gives you the luxury of traveling the world while still making money. And please, if you're getting any value from this video, please do me a favor, like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it as well. Please. Thank you. And that brings me to number 4, investing. Now, investing depends on your capacity and how much you have. I earn money from this investment on a monthly basis. I'm going to do a dedicated investment video on this channel very soon, so that you can learn how you can start investing from your country. If you're in Nigeria, I'm going to make investment videos for Nigerians specifically because there's a lot of scam in the investing sector in Nigeria. So I'm going to be doing videos to let you know what to invest in and what not to invest in, what things to look out for, and all the rest of that. Another way that I make money on a monthly basis is selling courses, doing master classes, doing trainings, doing one-on-one. I train people on how to make money, digital skills, investment, forex trading, and all the rest of it. So I make money from courses, and this is a very good way to make money as well for you. So, and it's something that you can do online. So if you know your area of expertise, it could be anything. It could be fashion designing, it could be video editing, it could be graphic designing, it could be anything, right? All you have to do is to package yourself. That is personal branding. I've always talked about personal branding and how important it is to have a personal brand. Have this brand that with a brand. If you are a brand, you can sell virtually anything, you can do virtually anything. That is why there's a brand called 7-Figure Boss, and under the 7-Figure Boss I now have different things that I do under Seven Figure Boss brand name. So I can come up and do anything at any time and sell anything at any time under the brand name Seven Figure Boss. So try to build a brand around you so that you can be able to sell a lot of things, and that includes courses. This brings me to the next way I make money, which is coaching. Now, while you are doing the courses, a lot of people want you to coach them. A lot of people don't really understand fully when they are learning in a classroom, doing the training. They want you to coach them one-on-one. They want you to take them by the hand and teach them how this is done, how this is done. The downside is that it takes your time. It's not something that you can run on autopilot. You can run every other thing, like the digital products, you can run it on autopilot. You can run the courses on autopilot as well. Even the digital marketing, you can run it on autopilot as well. If you have a website for social media marketing services, you can run that on autopilot, or you can just get virtual assistants or hire people around to take care of the job. But for coaching, it's something that nobody can do for you but you. So it takes time, and as the day goes by, I get more busy. So if I am too busy, if I'm supposed to bring out my time to coach you one-on-one, I mean, it should be worth it. It should be worth putting out every other thing that I'm supposed to be doing at that time to coach you. So that is why very soon my coaching fee is going to get up to #1,000,000 naira. But for now, I have one-on-one sessions ranging from 50,000 naira to 200,000 naira. And this brings us to the last, which is my favorite, and that is YouTube. YouTube is an amazing way to make money online. I mean, a lot of people are sleeping on this opportunity. If you're watching me right now and you didn't attend my YouTube classes or YouTube masterclass, you actually missed a lot, because YouTube is a very effective way to build a brand and make money. If you have a YouTube channel, you can actually do all these things that I listed from your YouTube channel. You can get your clients, your customers, people for coaching, people for that will pay for your courses, people you can sell your digital products to, and people that you can offer digital marketing services to as well. So it's a very good platform for you to share your knowledge and also get paid in return. So now I'm not even talking about the money that YouTube pays you. Yes, YouTube pays you, but that is even the least. So you can even start making money with your YouTube channel without being monetized. Yes, even without having up to 1,000 subscribers, you can start making money on YouTube by offering all these things that I stated here. All you have to do is to share your knowledge, just like I'm doing now. I'm sharing what has been working for me, and you can also do that for yourself. So if you watched this video to the end and you did not like this video, please like this video and share it with your friends so that more people can see it and benefit from it. Thank you for watching this video. I recommend that you watch this video next. See you on the other side. Peace.